In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Wix's platform to add a form to your website using the tools available on manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Whether you're new to website building or simply need a refresher on utilizing Wix's rich features, this guide will walk you through it in a clear and straightforward way. To get started, open up your web browser and head to wix.com. This is your gateway to managing and editing your website. Once there, you'll want to log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. The dashboard is where you can manage all aspects of your site, from design to page settings. Once you're logged in, you'll find a button labeled Design Site. Click on it to enter the website editor. This section provides the creative control you need to make your website look just the way you envision it. Before you dive into adding elements, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, but understanding the layout will save you time. Now, with the editor open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see various options available. Find and click on Add Elements. This is where you can add various features to your site, from text boxes to images and everything in between. Within the Add Elements menu, scroll through the options until you see Contact and Forms. Click on it. This section houses all the tools you need to facilitate communication with your site's visitors. Adding a contact form is essential for gathering feedback, leads, or even managing customer inquiries, so this is a crucial step. Next, you're going to click on Waiver from the options that appear under Contact and Forms. Waivers are particularly useful for any business that requires a form of acknowledgement or release from participants before they engage with your service or event. By choosing this option, you're setting up a vital piece of documentation right within your site. You'll now need to select a template for your waiver. Wix offers a variety of templates to cater to different business needs, so take your time browsing through the selection. Think about the information you need to collect and choose a template that best suits those requirements while aligning with your website's overall aesthetic. Once you've settled on a template, the final step is to save your work. Find and click on the Save button, usually located at the top of the screen. It's important to regularly save your changes to prevent losing any of the hard work you've put into your site. There you have it. You've successfully added a form to your Wix website using their intuitive design tools. Remember, you can always go back and edit elements as needed to keep your website content fresh and up to date. Thank you for following along, and feel free to explore further customization options to enhance your site.